Hey you guys, what is up? I'm just hanging out in my driveway. I'm just getting ready to leave, but I'm really excited about this video for a couple of reasons. One, I feel like Ikea has kind of fallen off the face of the earth. I haven't been to Ikea in so long. I haven't really heard about Ikea in so long. I haven't heard like people being like, oh, this is from Ikea. It's so sick. Like, I think that's pretty accurate. So the other day I was like looking, I don't know what I was looking at, maybe Pinterest or something, and I basically saw this really cute item and I was like, where is this from? It's from Ikea. I was like, Ikea? What? This is so cute. This is not very Ikea. So I went on Ikea's website, looked at all the new stuff and was like, y'all, we gotta do an Ikea haul. They got some cute stuff. Ikea is stepping it up. Anyways, you guys are gonna see what I'm talking about when we go. Yeah, I'll quit blabbing. Let's go to Ikea. We are at Ikea. I'm with Desi. We are shopping together. So yeah, I'm just gonna walk you through, show you guys what the new stuff is. Let's do this. So first thing I saw was this mirror, which I think is a really decent price. It's only 99 bucks, focus. And it's a big circle mirror and the ledge gets bigger. So it's got like a little bit of a ledge, but I also really like these little guys. They're actually glass. They're a set. I kind of would only really want this one, so I don't know if I would actually purchase it, but it's a really cute little set to store your makeup. I also saw this lamp, which I really like, $24.99 table lamp. And then they have these really cute little vases, and I really like this pot. Of course I like this pot, it's gold. Also, this frame, it's like one of those Urban Outfitters frames where you can like hang stuff on. And then at the bottom it has these little hooks, so you could put like jewelry or something. I saw these babies online, so they're like little tins. They have lids and you can like store paintbrushes. These have like crayons in them. I really like this pink pastel lamp too. This pillow color. I definitely am gonna get a couple of these. This is golden brown Sanella cushion cover. Obviously I have nowhere to put this, but I do love it. She's 100 bucks, so it's not even that bad. Really like this pot. She's $5.99. That reminds me of something that was looking at online. Something else that I saw online that I didn't tell you guys was this. So this is a pegboard. It just has different kinds of like holes than a regular pegboard would have. I guess they sell these little hook things and then hooks on, and it's like a, what would you, a little clampy thing. This honestly must be like the new area, and that's why I'm liking everything, because it's all like new stuff. So I'm really, really loving this setup. I've been hating my office lately because I don't really film on those backdrops anymore, and I would love something like this to maybe like I could sit in front of and film at, and then use as a desk and then use as storage. I really like that, but that being said, I'm not a fan of the bamboo. I'm not gonna do this right now, but this is just something I'm looking at for my office to kind of spruce it up. Probably maybe gonna do like an office decorating video. Desi pointed out too, it's cool that this shelf is kind of like bigger than these shelves. I love these little drawers. Like, they'd be so perfect for all of your everyday makeup. So, so cute. And then you can even buy these little babies to hold. I love this pegboard. I have nowhere for a pegboard, but I love it. Also, this gold clock is really gorgeous. These shelves are really cool. They're just like little curved shelves. There's a pink one, teal one, blue one. They're a set of 3 and they are $24.99. Found this vase, $14.99. You guys, for so long I was looking for a set of these drawers because I wanted to like paint the front of them, and I thought this would be really good makeup storage. So if you are looking for some makeup storage, this is something I would suggest. You can put geometric lines on it. You can make them look so cute. This is something that I wanted to get. These, though, when I saw them online, I thought that they were a lot bigger. So now I'm a little upset. I thought this was like gonna be huge. Feels like I'm about to film a YouTube tutorial. Hi guys, welcome to my bedroom. I like this stool. Kind of cool, kind of industrial. It's metal. Oh wow. I really like this chair. I really like this poof. I'm liking this look. They have this, which is cute. It's just crazy weird looking. Doesn't feel like it would be overly comfortable. Oh, but it is. It's pretty pretty comfortable. Stool is really cool. It's pastel pink. And I really like this watering can. This lemonade print. Hang on, there's a bit of glare. But she's really cute. And how much is she? 10 bucks. And this, you see Ikea just stepping up the game. They have these little wooden, what would you call these? Like magazine holders with this pink design on it. That shelf thingy I was talking about, but they have it in a smaller size. They have it in a 2x2. Cool. So this is one of the things that I had saved to look at. It's like an end table you put beside your couch. I was thinking maybe I could like paint this guy and put it beside my bed, but it's pretty big. Like this is a regular size book. That's a little bit too big than I wanted for my room. I really like these chairs if they were obviously not black. So this was something else I had pinned to look at. I mean, it's much smaller than the black one, but it's still a bit big. I really like this. Look at this bench. This is really nice. So if I'm gonna be kind of honest, I'm a little like not impressed with like a couple of the things that I really liked that I had saved to look at. I thought were like much nicer online. I guess like the end tables, it's not their fault. Like they were kind of just like too big, yeah, and not being what I wanted. So that's not really its fault, but I just saw these. Let me give you a little. These are really cute. Glass dome with base. So you could put anything you wanted in, but this has some like cacti. I have a plant that I could put in one of these. I think I might get one of these babies. I think they're really cute. I feel really inspired to like maybe make a new office space with that stuff I showed you at the beginning. I just think that it would look really nice, and I really need to like get a better, more like inspired space because my space is not very inspiring and I don't really like filming in there. So I'd like to make it a little bit like more usable. I don't think I'm gonna do that today.
Ikea strives to secure more sustainable practices throughout our...
What you making for dinner?
Oh, me? Well, let me show you. Come to the fridge and I'll show you what I'm making for dinner. So I have prepared a really great meal in here. We're going to have some boxes of pencils. Does he really like that? These are really cute, but like, this is never enough liquid. It got worse. Look at this really pretty gold serving tray. That's really cute, eh? Also this napkin holder. You could totally use that to like hold your makeup palettes. There's some really cute like pillowcases. This one with like this design. Little frills on the side. I like. So these are the ones that I wanted to get for my room because they're like mustardy yellow. So I think I'm gonna get 2 of these. Girly! So I got a couple DIY supplies that I couldn't tell you, but keep an eye out. Hint, hint. If I could have this bed frame, I totally would have this bed frame. How cool would it be to do like some hanging macrame plants from this headboard? I think that'd be really, really cool. But I can't have a bed frame because I have slanted ceilings. Found these. They're like hanging little pocket things. They also have these hanging basket ones. Do they come in beige? I don't think so. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, I really like this basket. I kind of need this. Ikea has fake cacti now. I don't know if you guys know. They do have a bigger one than this. I haven't seen it yet, but it is like much bigger. They have these really big guys. They have a fake snake plant. Ikea is stepping up their game like in their fake plant department. Look at him. Okay, so they have him and he's super gigantic. He's not the one I was talking about. It's actually these ones in these bags, which are kind of hard to show you. So this is something else that I had my eye on. So Ikea came out with these guys. $5.99 for a hanging pot, which I think is a really, really good deal. But I also wanted to show you guys this, which I think I'm gonna get this guy. So he's a hanging planter. And he's pink. These guys are really cool too. They don't look like much, but they're basically a plant stand, and I want to show you guys how it works. So you can put it upside down and hold a small plant, or you can put it right side up and hold a larger plant. And I thought this would be really cool if you spray painted it gold. Look at these guys in their little pink pots. They have these really cute like wicker plant pots, and inside it's like plastic, which is kind of cool. I found this blanket. It's like mustardy yellow. I have this Urban Outfitters day bed that I want to put it on. The dogs always sleep on it. It's the glorified dog bed. So I thought this would be really easy to wash, so that once I get that cushion cleaned, they won't be able to get it as dirty with this. Did you guys know Ikea had pet stuff? Did you know? This is the last thing that I had on my list to show you guys. It's like a two-tone candle, which I think is really cute. We are done looking through the marketplace. Last stop we always check is just the clearance, because you never know. You never know what they got. Sorry if I was out of focus that whole time. They have one of those mirrors for 64 bucks. It's a pretty good deal. Okay, you guys, that is it. We are done shopping at Ikea. I got a bunch of stuff. I will do a haul for you guys, a home decor haul soon, so keep an eye out. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.